Alright, I got a 2002 Chrysler Sebring LXi. It says cam sensor. Alright, we changed the cam sensor, put a factory one in there. Still wouldn't start unless we unplugged it, and it would like hesitate to start. So I took off the intake, and I took off the valve covers, which is fairly simple. If you're a mechanic, you know what you're doing. This thing here was a pain in the butt. Took that off. And then I had to take off the motor mount. And this big cover right here goes on the side. It's fairly easy. 10s and a couple 13s. One here, one there, one there. And then seeing where time chain was rubbing. And totally destroyed the guide. I had several mechanics tell me to look at this. If you look, the guide goes up here on the left side. It's the left side short guide. It's hard to see, but you have to take out this little plug here on the side of the motor to get to the bolt right down in there. And the guide goes on the side of the chain right here, which gives it tension. And right now it's out of time, probably several degrees, not letting it start.
Right. Here's the new guide. A lot of it there, isn't it? Not much left here. A couple little pieces. It is up there somewhere. That's the bottom. Alright. And this has to go up in there. Oh, it's gonna have.
Alright, so I went and got a new water pump. New water pump. And that guide right there is new.
Not all celebrations live up to the hype. Birthdays.
See from up here, I think.
Anniversaries.
Brand new guide right there.
You shouldn't have.
Getting your driver's license.
Do some of this camera. Won't focus. Now I'll put the chain on. Ooh. Wow, look at that, jackpot. No way. Just got that crap out of there. Shiny like gold. Alright, it's all the way back together. Got everything hooked back up. Cam sensors in. Bugged up. Should fire right up. Alright. First try. Beautiful.